Tech reviews, the latest smart home devices. These days, a smart version of virtually every appliance and gadget used in the house is available to purchase. These items, in general, link to the internet, which enables you to operate them from your phone via a companion application on your phone. The majority are also compatible with a variety of voice control systems. There are a lot of tech gadgets for smart homes that allow scheduling, which enables you to quickly configure your devices to carry out a specific action at a specific time. In this video, we will go through the 10 coolest smart home gadgets of 2023 for maintaining a connected lifestyle. Number 8. Smart air conditioner. The temperature of your room can also affect your sleep quality. A too hot or too cold room can make it difficult to drift off and stay asleep throughout the night. According to the CDC, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit is the ideal sleeping temperature for most people. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro Cover Smart Mattress Topper lets you adjust your existing bed's temperature from hot to cool via your phone and expertly tracks your sleep health. If you won't have central air, you might want to consider a smart air conditioner. They typically allow for app and voice control and support scheduling, which can help cut down on your energy costs. The Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped air conditioner is easy to install and did a great job of cooling our tests. It's also one of the quietest window units we've encountered. Number 7. Smart Entertainment Alexa. When it comes to the technology that may be utilized in a living room, the most obvious standouts are televisions and soundbars. But there are also a lot of different devices that work to improve the atmosphere, convenience, and safety of your primary living space. To get things started, a smart speaker is an absolute necessity for the front room. In addition to being able to play music, our best models also act as a kind of centralized command center, which enables you to use your voice to manage virtually any other connected home device. The first thing you need to do to pick one is to determine which of these 3 voice assistance platforms, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, would work best in your house. All 3 are compatible with the majority of the main smart home device brands. Number 6. A connected thermostat. A Link thermostat is yet another example of a smart device for the living room that can make your life significantly more convenient while also offering the possibility of cost savings related to your energy consumption. The models that are our favorites allow you to monitor and operate the heating and cooling system in your home by phone or voice, allow you to set temperature schedules, and offer energy-saving features that can help you reduce your monthly expenses. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is our top option since it comes with a remote sensor that can be placed in a separate room to ensure that the temperature is the same across the entire house. We strongly suggest going with the Wise Thermostat, which is currently the finest option available for less than $100. Number 5. Video Doorbell. Even if you have a peephole in your door, you won't be able to see a person if they conceal after knocking on your door and then return to their hiding spot. No one can know the motives of the person who is on the other side of your door at any given moment. It is best to safeguard yourself and your property at this time by installing video doorbells from Ring. These doorbells allow you to observe the activities of a person who is knocking or pressing the doorbell. Even if you are not at your house, you may still capture pictures and record videos of the visitors, so you will always know who they are. They have a doorbell that will fit your needs, regardless of whether you live in an apartment, condo, or house, so you can feel secure in your own home. Additionally, they provide a variety of selections depending on your spending limits and requirements, and they even assist you in deciding by contrasting numerous video doorbells side by side. Number 4. Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The robotic vacuum cleaner, offered by Eufy under the brand name RoboVac, is designed to make your life easier by providing thorough cleaning services for your home. There is a wide selection of robotic vacuum cleaners that come equipped with various advanced functions. In addition to that, they come equipped with a sensor that monitors their course to map out clear pathways for effective floor cleaning. For more thorough cleaning, you can mop hard floors and vacuum numerous surfaces with the hybrid mop and vacuum that combines the 2 functions. You can connect to the vacuum cleaner and take control of it with the help of your smartphone. It will display the cleaning history to you to assist you in keeping track of when and where RoboVac is cleaned. Their items come with a money-back guarantee valid for 30 days, a warranty that is free of hassles, free and speedy shipping, and lifetime customer assistance. Number 3. Keyless entry. By utilizing level bolt, you can give your locks a new look and give them intelligence. This smart lock was designed with everyone in mind and grants your family and friends the ability to use their phones or voices to access your home more conveniently than ever before. You won't need to worry about losing your keys because this addition to your home's security system will also improve its appearance. You can access it from any location, use it with a variety of devices, control it with your voice, and enable automation with it. It works well with Amazon's Alexa, as well as Apple's HomeKit and Ring. Level Bolt has a design that has won awards and is known all over the world for its innovative nature and design. They have designed the locks from the ground up with durability and strength in mind, making it impossible for anyone to break into your property. Level Bolt has been put through a stress test that lasts for more than 1 million cycles and can meet the most stringent quality standards in the industry. Additionally, its mechanical action is consistently available for escape, ensuring that you will never have the sensation of being trapped inside. Number 2. A smart switch. Do you want to add some intelligence to your home? For a more up-to-date look in your home, consider replacing your traditional switch boxes with Brighton's Z-Wave Smart Rocker Light Switch instead. It does this by utilizing QuickFit, an innovative design that not only saves space but also has a rounder housing and enhanced components, which allows it to lower the switch housing depth by 20% in comparison to other models. Applications with limited space and multiple gangs benefit the most from the utilization of this smart switch. It incorporates automatic line load sensor terminals, which make for a straightforward and speedy installation process by locating the wires for the load in the line, as well as facilitating straightforward dimmer configuration. Voice control is available for the smart switch, which is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Additionally, it is compatible with Z-Wave hubs such as SmartThings, Wink, Ring Alarm, ADT Pulse, Train, ADT Command, Nexia, Vivian, HomeSeer, Honeywell, and many others. This intelligent switch may be used flawlessly on its own, or it can be incorporated into other switches without any problems at all. It is also capable of controlling both outdoor and indoor fixtures, providing full automation for the home, and its range may be extended up to 150 feet. Number 1. Smart Light. Philips Hue is a smart lighting system that offers a variety of lamps, bulbs, accessories, and fixtures. They offer the ideal lighting solution for you, whether you need it for the kitchen, the bathroom, the backyard, or the living room. You can set your Philips Hue smart light to gently wake you up in the morning, offer you a warm welcome when you get home, or help you arrange your day by providing you with the appropriate kind of lighting. It is possible to purchase starting kits, individual bulbs, light strips, lamps, and a variety of accessories such as a dimmer switch and bridges. Depending on what you choose, it can either make the light in the room brighter or make it darker. It even has the capability of providing flashing party lights if you are throwing a party. It is an intelligent lighting system that comes with smart controllers, a Hue bridge, and intelligent lights. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.